Hey everybody, my name is Wendy Sigala with Sigala Designs. It's been a while since I did an install video for you guys, but today I'm really excited because there's been so many people that ask, when are we gonna do an interior kit in carbon fiber for the C8? There's really not many parts that I think the car looks amazing on the inside already, and we wanted to look for some parts that would just give it a pop of carbon fiber, and I think we just found the right pieces that will make just that. Here I have, this is going to be a 3-piece interior kit, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to get them installed. So the pieces already come with the 3M double-sided tape, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and remove the backing, and they're ready for install. This is the first piece. I'm just going to get it in there. You press down, make sure it glues on really good, and that's it for the first one. Now for the centerpiece, we're going to go ahead and do the same thing and remove the backing already on there. Go ahead and slide it in just like we did with the other one. Press it down, and there you have it. Okay, so now for the last piece, we'll go ahead and remove the backing for the 3M double-sided tape that's already on there. Put it in place. Make sure you get this corner right here. Press it in, press it down so it glues onto the molding, and there you have it. This was literally a 5-minute install. If you're interested in purchasing, we will have the link down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future uploads, and we'll see you on the next one.